Halo cuy, bertemu dengan saya lagi di channel Ferry024. Apa kabar kalian? Semoga dalam keadaan baik-baik saja. Setelah setengah tahun menghilang, akhirnya saya mempunyai kesempatan untuk membuat video lagi di channel ini. Karena banyak yang komen, kapan rakit PC di channel utama bang? Kapan ya? Kapan-kapan bang? Dan banyak juga yang spam, kenapa nggak jualan di Tokped lagi bang? Jawabannya adalah Tokped sekarang ruwet. Sekarang saya jualan komponen bekas konten di Shopee. Jika ada yang mau cek atau beli, link tokonya ada di deskripsi video ini. Oke, tanpa kebanyakan yapping, pada video kali ini saya akan merakit PC dengan budget 1 jutaan. Lebih tepatnya 1,2 jutaan. Tanpa menunggu lama-lama lagi, langsung ke komponen apa saja yang akan digunakan. Komponen yang pertama yaitu motherboard. Untuk motherboard saya menggunakan Mobo dari merek Asus dengan seri H81MK. Mobo ini memiliki soket prosesor LGA 1150 yang support Intel generasi 4. Untuk slot RAM-nya, Mobo ini memiliki 2 slot RAM DDR3 yang support hingga 16 GB. Untuk output displaynya, Mobo ini memiliki 2, yaitu port VGA dan DVI. Saya membeli Mobo ini dengan harga Rp250.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu prosesor. Untuk prosesor saya menggunakan Intel Core i3 4160. Prosesor ini memiliki 2 core dan 4 thread dengan base frekuensi 3,60 GHz dan memiliki L3 sebesar 3 MB. Prosesor ini juga memiliki eGPU di dalamnya, yaitu Intel HD 4400. Untuk TDP-nya, prosesor ini memiliki TDP sebesar 54 Watt. Saya membeli prosesor ini dengan harga Rp75.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu HSF. Untuk HSF saya menggunakan stok cooler bawaan Intel. Saya membeli HSF ini dengan harga Rp25.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu RAM. Untuk RAM saya menggunakan RAM dari merek Hynix dengan kapasitas 8 GB DDR3 yang memiliki kecepatan 1600 MHz. Saya membeli RAM ini dengan harga Rp90.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu storage. Untuk storage saya menggunakan SSD SATA dari merek Vegan Rescue dengan kapasitas sebesar 256 GB. Saya membeli SSD ini dengan harga Rp250.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu GPU. Untuk GPU saya menggunakan GPU dari merek Fujitsu dengan seri GTX 745 yang mempunyai VRAM 2 GB DDR3 128B dan sudah support DirectX 11. Untuk output displaynya, GPU ini memiliki 3, yaitu 2 DisplayPort dan 1 DVI. Untuk TDP-nya, GPU ini memiliki TDP sebesar 55 Watt. Saya membeli GPU ini dengan harga Rp400.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu power supply. Untuk PSU, saya menggunakan PSU build up dari merek Delta yang mempunyai kapasitas daya 250 Watt. Saya membeli PSU ini dengan harga Rp80.000. Komponen yang terakhir yaitu casing. Untuk casing saya menggunakan casing build up dari merek Acer. Saya membeli casing ini dengan harga Rp75.000. Dan berikut adalah seluruh komponen beserta harganya. Untuk link referensi pembeliannya ada di deskripsi video ini.
Got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages of vacant.
Dan berikut adalah tampilan dari PC-nya. Untuk konsumsi dayanya, dalam kondisi idle, PC ini mengkonsumsi daya sekitar 36an watt. Dan dalam kondisi full load mengkonsumsi daya sekitar 120an watt. Gimana menurut kalian dengan rakitan PC kali ini? Apakah dengan harga dan spek seperti ini worth it? Silahkan tuliskan pendapat kalian di kolom komentar. Mungkin jika ada yang berminat dengan PC ini, bisa WhatsApp saya melalui nomor ini. Untuk opsi upgrade pada rakitan PC kali ini, yang pertama tentu saja power supply. Untuk PSU bisa upgrade ke PSU minimal 500 watt dan sudah bersertifikasi 80+. Selanjutnya bisa tambah storage lagi, mau hard disk atau SSD bebas. Karena ukuran 256 GB di tahun sekarang sudah kekecilan. Selanjutnya bisa upgrade RAM-nya menjadi 16 GB. Kemudian bisa upgrade prosesornya ke i5, i7 atau Xeon Gen 4. Selanjutnya bisa upgrade GPU-nya ke GTX 1050 Ti, GTX 1060, RX 580, GTX 1660 Super, dan lain-lain. Tapi itu semua balik lagi ke kebutuhan masing-masing. Karena kebutuhan setiap orang itu berbeda-beda. Mungkin cukup sekian dari saya, mohon maaf jika ada salah kata ataupun penyampaian pada video ini. Selamat menikmati video pengetesannya, jangan lupa tinggalkan kritik dan sarannya. Thanks for watching and see you next video di konten Rakit PC Kere Hore selanjutnya.
I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard, or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great. But I also wanna make sure I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. All I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. All I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my life. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then you'll get bored of killing.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats on a stone. You don't understand the thing I do. You don't ever wanna give me room. You don't ever wanna set me free. You don't wanna dig into you. And it's just that you can get you with the evil flow. Got me coming back from you, even when I was good. Those for the days, here's my heart straight through. Got issues in my head, like I'm in your bed, but you keep me on red. Everything is like a text, I better not text or I'll come off dead. sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you on top, never really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like God's on the screen. You don't understand the pain. You don't ever want to set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nose. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. 'Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I know you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me, well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no we'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. Just thinking about the time, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
With his head but couldn't steer it in. Well, that's why we all say indecision is fatal. Hoists it forward.